Hello everybody, here we are. We want to add a new point to this calibration graph, this calibration line. And for example, we have 4 points, we want to add another point. So here are shown the x values of the calibration graph and here the y values. So for example, we can add 0.23 as value and here 1.8. Perfect. So we have to go here and click on the top of a point with the right mouse button. Select data, and here are shown our x values and y values. So if we want to change the point of our graph and we want to add one more, we can click here with the left mouse button, click on the first value that we want to consider, and then keep clicking on the mouse, go down until we reach our last value that we want to consider. Perfect. So we have finished, and without clicking anything, we can come back here to this symbol and click again. Perfect. We have selected all the other values that we wanted to add as x values. Then we have to add the y values. So again, click here with the left mouse button, click on the first value, and then keep clicking down, down, down until we reach our last number. So now we are saying it, okay, you have to consider all the entire values that are in between the first one and the second one. So the last one, yes, we can see it. And so I'm not touching the mouse now. Then, without clicking, go again to this symbol, click here. In this way, we are adding also the other point. We are listing all the point. So we are finished and we can click on OK. And so here we are. We have a new point on our calibration graph.